Are you ready to apply for a USA visa? Here's a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the process and increase your chances of approval. First, determine the type of visa that suits your purpose, whether it's a tourist visa, work visa, or student visa. Complete the online visa application, pay the non-refundable visa fee, and schedule a visa interview at the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your home country. Gather required documents such as a valid passport, DS-160 confirmation page, visa fee payment receipt, and any additional documents specific to your visa category. Be well prepared for the visa interview. Dress professionally, arrive on time, and emphasize your strong ties to your home country. After the interview, undergo biometric data collection if required and wait for visa processing. Once the processing is complete, you will be informed of the decision. If approved, plan your trip to the United States, and if denied, you will receive a letter explaining the reasons for the decision. Always check the official website for the most accurate information and consider seeking professional guidance.